Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and today I'll be demonstrating how to preview item journals and 20 other journals and documents before posting. The preview posting action helps you avoid mistakes by giving you the chance to review the types of entries that will be created when you post item journals or other inventory documents before you commit the changes to your database. The list of pages where preview posting was added are as follows: warehouse shipment, transfer order, assembly order, production journal, warehouse receipt, item journal, inventory pick, item reclassification journal, job journal, physical inventory journal, output journal, inventory put away, consumption journal, physical inventory order, revaluation journal, inventory shipment, inventory receipt, recurring job journal, capacity journal, recurring consumption journal, and recurring capacity journal. To access this feature, simply go to one of the pages mentioned above. For example, item journals. Once there, and once your journal has been all set up, simply click the drop-down menu beside the post action, select preview posting. After processing, we'll see an overview of related entries to the given journal. We can see that it will create entries for GL entries, item ledgers, and value entries. We hope that the preview posting action would help in preventing mistakes before document commits, as well as giving a better overview of what the document will affect before posting. Thank you.